a wonderful medieval Crusader treasure with this silver Grand Gras coin that was minted on the island of Cyprus during the rule of King Henry II. It was minted there in 1285 to 1324. The obverse shows a Crusader cross with 4 of the crosses in the quadrants. Coin's in great condition. It's a great good, very fine. We set this in a 14-karat white gold pendant. Nice shackle bail. King Henry II became the last ruling king of Jerusalem when him and his fleet attacked and captured the coastal city of Acre. On the reverse side, you can see King Henry seated while holding a fleur-de-lis tipped scepter and globus cruciger. Again, this is a rare treasure from the last ruling king of Jerusalem, King Henry II of Cyprus.